Hi guys, today we are going to read the text, Goods and Services Are Important. We're going to read and talk about key details. This video will help you with your key detail web. That is one of your assignments for today. Before we read, I'd like you to make a prediction about the type of genre this text is. Remember, when predicting genre, it's important to look at the text features that are in the text. Let's take a look at some of the pages and see what features we notice. I notice a table of contents. I see there are photographs. These look like speech bubbles. I see the word conclusion. And then a glossary of words at the end. What type of text do those features make you think about? This text is an information text, but it also has opinions. In my opinion, goods and services are important. Let's read. Introduction. Goods are things that people grow, make, buy, or sell. Food, clothing, cars, and homes are examples of goods. Services are work that people do for one another. For example, doctors, mechanics, and police officers provide services. All people need goods and services. In this book, you'll hear people's opinions about which goods and services are most important to them. Eating to survive. In my opinion, the most important good is food because people cannot live without it. Food gives people energy. It helps people stay healthy. People grow, make, buy, and sell food. Food is more important than any other good. Saving lives. In my opinion, doctors and nurses provide the most important service because they take care of people. Doctors and nurses give medicine to sick people. They help people get well. Doctors and nurses save lives every day. I think they perform the most important service. Using technology. In my opinion, goods made for technology are important because they make people's lives easier. For example, telephones help people communicate. Computers help people do their work and learn new skills. Cars, buses, and airplanes take people where they need to go. Telephones, computers, and ways to travel make people's lives easier every day. Helping us learn. In my opinion, teachers provide the most important service. They work hard to help children succeed. Teachers help students learn to read and write. They teach children how to explore and solve problems. Teachers provide the most important service of all. Conclusion. You just read 4 people's opinions about the goods and services that are important to them. What good or service do you think is most important? Here's our words to think about page. Goods, opinion, technology, and services. Now we're going to talk about what key details were important in the text. I'm going to flip back through the pages to help find some information for my web. There are 5 circles on my web, so I need to find 5 key details. I notice that there are 5 chapters, counting the introduction, eating to survive, saving lives, using technology, and helping us learn. If I take a key detail from each chapter, that will help me with my key detail web. I'm going to grab a tool to help me underline some key details. In the beginning, it talks about goods and services. I think it's important to understand what goods and services are. So I'm going to underline those two sentences. Goods are things that people grow, make, buy, or sell. Services are work that people do for one another. This page was about eating. It talked about how food was an important good. Food is more important than any good. That was this person's opinion. This page talked about doctors and nurses and how they are important service providers. I'm going to underline doctors and nurses save lives every day. I think that's important. This page was about technology. Technology helps make people's lives easier. I'm going to underline that key detail. This page was about teachers. Teachers help students learn. That's definitely an important service. Now I can go back through my text and decide how I'm going to use my own words to fill out my key details web from the text. And you can do the same. Good luck. See you next time.